cut out the middle of the moon and the star, and I hope you can see that it's indented in the middle, but there is a line around the edge, unlike these birds that are just completely flat black silhouettes. So my ink will just pick up on the raised surfaces, and unlike etching, you're not trying to get it down into the grooves, but there will be some pickup of the raised edges on here, and I can either leave them or take them away. It's up to me or you when you come to printing these things. So I've made myself a template. The template is the same size as my paper, and the reason I've done this is so that I can position my lino in the middle in a nice position on the paper, but it's also important if you're trying to register it for colour later. The paper I'm using is Hosho paper, but you can equally use cartridge paper or even inkjet paper, preferably one that is acid free so it doesn't go yellow over time. But the thinner the paper, the better, and the smoother. So now I'm going to put my template underneath a piece of plastic or glass. You don't have to do that if you can't get hold of plastic or glass. It's only so that you can clean it. If you can't get hold of plastic or glass, just use a board and just wipe it in between inking if you get any ink all over the place. So there it is underneath, and now I'm going to roll up my print. You have been watching Printmaking Without a Press with Theresa Pateman.